Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Crosse Technology LTV-THP1-T1 Temperature Humidity Sensor. Specifications. Power up. Slide the battery cover down to remove it. Insert the temperature probe into the sensor port. Extend the probe wire through the guide straight down or to either side of the sensor. Insert two AA batteries into the sensor according to polarity markings. Replace the battery cover. TX button, press to manually transmit. FC button, press to choose Fahrenheit or Celsius display. Port for probe wire. Battery compartment. Guides for probe wire. LCD. The LTV-THP1 sensor can be used by itself or with the included probe wire. When the probe wire is attached, the temperature humidity readings from the sensor will alternate on the top. When using the sensor only, the temperature and humidity will both show. Positioning. Insert a screw through the mounting hole at the top of the LTV-THP1 sensor to securely mount the sensor to the desired surface. To hang with a nail, utilizing the nail head hanging hole on the back of the LTV-THP1 sensor. Outdoor, mount the sensor vertically in a protected, well-shaded area. Keeping it out of direct weather elements such as sunlight, rain, snow, etc. will help avoid inaccurate readings. The sensor itself should not be submerged or placed in a location that could be submerged in water. Indoor, mount the sensor vertically, keeping it away from heat or cold sources such as vents and windows to avoid inaccurate readings. Place the probe wire in your desired location. Please note that temperature is measured from the metal tip of the probe, not the entire cord. Connect to the Crosse View app. Show readings on Crosse View station. If you already own Crosse View connected station with an extra sensor area, you can monitor your sensor and probe wire on the station. Care and maintenance. Use the same type and brand. Replace all batteries at once. Avoid mixing old and new ones. Clean contacts before installing, prevent corrosion. Install batteries correctly, follow polarity. Remove batteries when not in use, prevent leakage. Dispose of batteries properly, recycle or follow local regulations. Warnings. Troubleshootings. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.